My brother was going to the trade school. We wanted to be welders, and so that's what we did. And then later on, I was the first one to go pipelining, and I was like, that's what I want to do. I want to travel, I want to be a pipeliner. But then I brought him into it. So we were both first generation pipeliners. First thing in the morning to make sure I've got a good day started is wake up and get the coffee going. Then we head to the warehouse. I'll get there about 6:30 in the morning. My helper, Cameron Bowers, he just started helping me on this job. He's doing a fantastic job learning the trade. So in the morning I catch up with him and we get all of our supplies that we need at 7 o'clock, and then visit with the welder foreman and see what he has for me to do that day. And then we'll head on down to the safety trailer and get our air monitors bump tested. And then from there, we head on to the right-of-way. I'm a 798 pipeline welder. I've been in since 2009, and it was the best career choice I've ever made. It's provided me with a great job, insurance, a pension that I could work toward, build, and 401k, all of the benefits that come with it, and the friendships that I've made with people all over the country. I wouldn't do it any other way. Working out west, it's like being in a Wild West show to me. I love old Western movies and gold mining towns. The last time we were out there working in Reno, we had the wild horses running all over while we were out there welding. So working out west has always been a calling card for me. Anytime something comes up, I'm ready to go. I travel with my wife, my little girl, Melissa and Abigail. Being able to travel with my family, I love that. They can be with me. When I come home in the evening, when I get there, she's already done some homeschool with Abigail, and we'll grill out together. From that point, it's all eat and play until it's time to go to bed. We'll get out and ride the scooters around, or bicycles, or we usually play football every evening. Or we're having a good time. And having our RV is like Abigail calls it her little house. She likes it. We all enjoy it. Melissa enjoys traveling. I enjoy traveling, so it just works. When we get done, I'm not sure where we're going, but my wife says we're going to go on vacation to Florida, so we'll probably do that first. We would love to get a big motor home and just travel the United States, see all the national parks that we didn't get to see while we were working. Just have fun, just live life to the fullest. My name is Sam Talley. I'm from Madison, Mississippi, and I'm a proud pipeliner.